When it comes to high-performance blenders that excel in both personal and countertop use, this Ninja BL642 Nutri Ninja stands out with its impressive array of features. With a robust 1200-watt motor, an XL 72 ounces pitcher, and versatile to-go cups, this blender is engineered to handle a wide range of blending tasks with ease. Whether you're making smoothies, shakes, or sauces, the Nutri Ninja offers professional-grade performance and convenience that caters to both your everyday needs and special culinary endeavors. Here's a comprehensive review of what makes the Ninja BL642 a top choice for blending enthusiasts. At the heart of the Ninja BL642 is its powerful 1200-watt motor. This motor is designed to tackle even the toughest ingredients, pulverizing ice into snow and blending frozen fruits to create smooth, creamy drinks in seconds. The motor's strength ensures that you get consistent results every time, whether you're whipping up a nutrient-packed smoothie or a rich and creamy sauce. Pro Extractor Blades Assembly is another standout feature of this blender. Made from rust-proof materials, these blades are engineered to break down whole fruits, vegetables, ice, and seeds with ease. This ensures maximum nutrient and vitamin extraction, allowing you to enjoy beverages packed with essential nutrients without any waste. The blade's efficiency in handling tough ingredients makes this blender a versatile tool in the kitchen. The Ninja BL642 boasts total crushing technology, feature that sets it apart from many other blenders on the market. This technology allows the blender to crush through ice and frozen ingredients in seconds, making it ideal for creating frozen drinks, smoothies, and other blended treats. The XL 72 ounces pitcher has a 64 ounces maximum liquid capacity, which is perfect for preparing large batches of your favorite recipes, whether for family gatherings or meal prepping. One of the most user-friendly features of the Ninja BL642 is its Auto IQ technology. This intelligent system takes the guesswork out of blending by offering pre-programmed settings that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. With Auto IQ, you can achieve perfect results without having to manually adjust blending times or speeds. Simply select the appropriate program and let the blender do the work for you. The Ninja BL642 comes with 3 sizes of to-go cups: 18 ounces, 24 ounces, and 32 ounces. These cups are perfect for those who need to take their smoothies or shakes on the go. Each cup features a spout lid for easy sipping, making it convenient to enjoy your nutrient-rich beverages wherever you are. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or just running errands, these to-go cups make it easy to stay on track with your healthy lifestyle. Cleaning up after using the Ninja BL642 is a breeze. All parts of the blender are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. You can quickly clean the pitcher, cups, and blades without any hassle. The self-cleaning feature is also a time saver. Just add a drop of dish soap and warm water to the pitcher and run the blender for a few seconds to get a thorough clean. To help you get started with your new blender, the Ninja BL642 comes with a 75 recipe inspiration guide. This guide includes a variety of recipes for smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more, giving you plenty of ideas for how to make the most of your blender. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this recipe guide provides plenty of inspiration to explore new and delicious recipes. In addition to its impressive performance, the Ninja BL642 features a sleek black design that will complement any kitchen decor. Its modern aesthetic, combined with its powerful capabilities, makes it a standout appliance that you'll be proud to display on your countertop. The blender's versatile functionality and easy-to-clean design further enhance its appeal, making it a practical and stylish addition to your kitchen. Why choose the Ninja BL642 Nutri Ninja? If you're looking for a high-performance blender that offers both power and convenience, the Ninja BL642 Nutri Ninja is an excellent choice. With its powerful 1200-watt motor, total crushing technology, and Auto IQ features, this blender delivers professional-grade performance that meets the demands of any blending task. The inclusion of to-go cups and a recipe guide adds to its versatility, making it suitable for both home use and on-the-go lifestyle. For those who value efficiency, ease of use, and high-quality results, the Ninja BL642 offers a compelling package. Whether you're making large batches for family gatherings or enjoying a smoothie on the go, this blender is designed to deliver exceptional performance and convenience. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.